It is a proud moment for all of us as we introduce OptiDose to all of you here today in Hyderabad. OptiDose is an exciting new innovation in the field of treating hypertension. It has 3 ingredients, all at unique dosing levels that have been tested in over 500 patients in India across 18 centers over a 2-year clinical study which was vetted and approved by the DCGI in January of 2013. So this product has been proven to show early blood pressure control and also reduced adverse events. It also clearly reduces pill burden as it is one pill and gives the dosing convenience of once daily medicine. So this is an exciting innovation for us, which we are very proud of. It was 3 years in the making, and today the day has come for us to be launching this in January of 2014. So this, as I said, this product is intended for use in hypertensive patients who have failed monotherapy. So those who are on just one therapy typically have a suboptimal outcome in hypertension, and by providing combination therapy in the form of one pill, which is just once daily, it's a significant treatment innovation for patients that are fighting this disease. Hypertension, as you know, is a silent killer. Most of the cardiovascular deaths are because of hypertension. 30% of all stroke is seen in hypertensive patients. 25% of all acute heart attacks happen in hypertensive patients. So this is really the most devastating disease, and hopefully OptiDose will go a long way in managing this disease in India. In Indian market, there are 200 million patients who are hypertensive. Unfortunately, less than half know that they have hypertension. So they're not even diagnosed, and of those who know that they have hypertension, only half of them are on medication. So you can imagine that the vast majority of patients, 100 to 150 million patients, don't have access to good medicine and don't get their hypertension treated appropriately in India, presenting a significant opportunity for us. In the clinical trial, what we found was OptiDose was in the test arm versus dual combination therapy in the control arm of telmisartan and hydrochlorothiazide in the control arm. And what we found was on adverse events and also early control of blood pressure, the test arm of OptiDose did better than the control arm statistically, and which led to the approval by the DCGI. So in terms of sales expectations, we don't give product level guidance in terms of sales revenues, but it was a challenge in our labs and R&D. We were committed to addressing this challenge and really delivering a product that was valuable in Indian conditions, tested in Indian patients. So we are very proud of this achievement. And again, the challenge is how do we get this product out to all the worthy hypertensive patients who should have access to this product. So we will make sure that those challenges operationally are managed. So in our own ways, we invest in driving awareness of hypertension with various groups, not necessarily in the context of the brands, but of the disease. We do have a Dr. Reddy's Foundation for Healthcare Education, targeted at doctors, but we also do programs with employees, with patient groups across the country, educating them on hypertension. So we will continue to invest more aggressively on really educating our patients on the devastating effects of hypertension, and hopefully engaging with their physicians and asking the right question on how that should be managed. So like I said, we don't give any product level guidance on revenue forecasts.